Welcome everyone to another Beer of the Week, hosted by yours truly, Andy, coming at you from the beautiful Niagara Peninsula. We have a banger of a beer tonight. This is an interesting collaboration from a local brewery in the town of St. Catharines, just beside the world-famous Niagara Falls. The beer is a collaboration with the local hockey team, as well as with a craft brewery close by in the downtown core of St. Catharines called the Merchant Ale House. So the Merchant Ale House, or the Merch, as locals call it, is quite a staple to the craft beer scene here in Niagara. It's actually one of the OG, original craft breweries, not only in Niagara, but in all of Southern Ontario. It actually goes back to 1999, which is really old in terms of a lot of craft breweries that are only maybe like 5 or 6 years old. So an interesting collab. We have a light lager here, sort of, I think, an association with the sports culture. If you're at a hockey game or maybe a baseball game, but in this situation, a hockey game, you're probably more likely to have something like a light lager. So let's crack it open and give her a try. Nice. Beautiful bottles. It's nice to see bottles like this 500 milliliter. Usually there's too many cans in the craft beer world. I just want some more bottles, am I right? This super light lager, this beautiful golden colors, light fluffy head on top. I know this is gonna be super delicious. Oh, yeah. Yeah, that's absolutely super lovely indeed. It's super crisp, really nice. Synonymous with a lot of the macro beers that you're gonna try in the world, obviously. You guys can think of any of them, Budweiser, Coors, Stella, what have you. Similar style, definitely, but some interesting uniqueness to it. It's really fresh. You get a lot of those fresh crispiness from this. It's very bready beer. It's like I'm eating a whole baguette in a nice little glass. Can you believe it? So guys, if you're in the Niagara region, check out the Merchant Ale House. It's definitely a staple for the area. And hey, the Ice Dogs hockey collab probably won't be around then, but maybe it will. Who knows? Thanks again for watching, everybody, and remember, craft beer is here.